Rengkat bat keri India berokawai ke Jylla Meghalaya hak arp kendai terik nailar hajar arpuar. Lengbak tenat sports and youth affairs jong ke Jylla kala penelong ya ke jeng Rakhe ya ke National Sports Day. Dagab ai Khusnam kerpang ya ke Nongialehkai ke belawan ranam bat buram ya ke Jylla hak jeng job ya ke jeng Lekkai boper. Chief Secretary ke Jylla uba DP Walang kumukong san ulasan ki Khusnam ke Nongialehkai hak ke balai don lang ki he officer sarkar ki nongket kam jong ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat kiwe. Bat ke jing Rakhe ke National Sports Day kalong kum shibenta menken mau buram ya uklore Lekkai hoki bapau nam jagari Meja Dhyan Chand. Nalor kani kilakit bok ke ruang ru ikilai teliki kenhon kiban mi na ke Jylla ben Asian benta ha ka Subroto Mukherjee Cup International Football Tournament kaban long New Delhi. Habakran kumukongsan ba DP Walang ulero ekatanat Sports and Youth Affairs kabala penelong ya kene ke program ban ajing itu ekejing trishtom jeng Nongialehkai kibala job ekejing ya kop ha kerensan ha kiwei pat kiri ha kari bat ha kathan da ka ba Khusnam ki da ka song tengka bat ula kentu ki Nongialehkai bagi dei ban beteng ban trishtom bat Lekkai bha syo ban pentikna bagi Jylla Meghalaya kan yo kurbon bha kita kema ha kalumpong North East Olympic Games kaban long ha ke Jylla. Ula kenturu ya ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs bahkan ele ban sedang pentre kamno ya ka scholarship program na gebentaki kena ke buku aban kio seprang ha ki Nongialehkai. Ula ong bah ha ka national level kadon ka national talent search ha ki Nongialehkai. Kumta ha ke Jyllaru dei bandon ke program na gebentaki bakwa ban terang Nongialehkai na markam long ke besuk hiang kisam ban IT lut ne ban penlut ha ka Nongialehkai. Ulai jeng mut ikinong Nongialehkai ke Lekkai ke jeng Lekkai kum ka kenhun da ka baai nuksa ya ke football bat kiwe bagi di bandon ya ke group insurance scheme kanang baladaja bagi Nongialehkai ki mensau ken la ban yo ya ke jeng yarap.
Therefore, work hard, work for more, and understand that this is just one stepping stone. The government is taking all efforts to ensure that we build a good sports ecosystem in the state. In the month of October, you'll be having the Northeast Festival as well as the Northeast Games, which will spread up to the month of November. And I want that all of you, those who have been awarded today, to work hard and to achieve something more spectacular during the Northeast Games. We need to collect more medals. We have always been underachievers. Therefore, in this forthcoming Northeast Games, I request all of you to work hard, to achieve hard, and to ensure that our state garner more medals. For the government, for the directorate, as an administrator, I would request them to kindly have a look at 2-3 things. One is, since you have already gone, as mentioned by the Vice President of MSOA, you have already gone with the talent identification scheme, which is being run with a private organization who have Olympians also in the midst. So it means that the identification of the sports person has been done very methodically. And I'm sure that it will lead to better prospects in the future for the sports persons of the state. My request is that if the Directorate of Sports in the future can have a look at having a sort of scholarship programs for students who want to excel in sports. At the national level, of course, we have the National Talent Search for sports. At the state level also, some scholarship programs for those who want to pursue sports. It's not easy for some families to go full-time into sports. The second suggestion I have is that for those who participate especially in team games, team events like football, etc., and so many that we saw today, kindly ensure that there is at least a sort of a group insurance scheme. In case, God forbid, but in case of any injuries, at least they'll have something to fall back into. So a sort of, from the government side, a premium for group insurance for all the sports lovers, for all the sports participants, especially those who are up to the national level, national competition. The third thing is that long term, in fact, with the infrastructure that we'll be having for the national games, kindly plan and think of having some good academies in various activities, various sports, after seeing doing a proper SWOT analysis, that is analyze the strength, the weakness, the opportunities and threats of various sports and have academies, because that will be the right legacy management of the infrastructure. Whether it's sports hostels or sports academies, please get experts to kindly have a look. It could be a badminton, it could be table tennis, it could be a football academy, but the way forward to manage all these infrastructures will be through academies. So kindly have and keep these in mind as far as the future of the state, as far as the long-term plan of the state is concerned. And I'm sure that it will benefit all the sports lovers, it will benefit the sports participants, and also those who are here, who have earned the cash awards today. Call your friends, tell your friends to participate actively in various sporting activities.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.